Welcome to Prakruti Farm, where nature's pristine beauty unfolds. Nestled in serenity, our farm is a sanctuary, surrounded by rustling leaves and gentle winds. Under the vast sky, each dawn promises new beginnings, and every dusk paints tranquility. A tapestry of colors celebrates nature's diversity. Escape the hustle in serene corners, designed for reflection and rejuvenation. A break that reconnects you to yourself, where every moment is a reminder of the surrounding beauty. Prakruti Farm. Embrace nature.